Now, once you have fed in the uh, colleges and you have made the user IDs for ANO, PI, and the clerks, now we move to the training. That means first the training clerk is supposed to log in. He's been given his user ID and a password also generally generated by the CO. It's given to him. If it is for the first time, the user ID is given to him. He will log in. Put the user ID, put password as PASSWORD, captcha OTP as 111111. Then he'll be directed to a new page. He will put the old password again, which is a password, new password, and confirm it. That has to be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numeric, and special character. He puts login, then again he has to start from there. Now I take it he has logged in after his user ID and password. He goes to the training branch. Training calendar, as of now, nothing is to be done till here. He is supposed to go directly to the unit training schedule. First, click and feed the data. Once the training clerk goes, he will get a add data column over here. He is supposed to feed this, the parade number, the type of subject, the code, location, XYZ. I'll just show you as a sample. Since I have logged in from a CO's dashboard, admin's dashboard, this is only applicable to the admin, not applicable to the clerk. But what has been fed in, how, I'll just show you. The moment I press the edit button, it is parade number 3, third parade. What is the subject? What is the code? In that parade, what is the period? First period, second, or the third period? Is it a practical or a lecture? Instructor, ANO or a PI? The date, the location, the time which you have to give, generally give it. It can be say 7 or 8 followed by 800 hours from time, from time 8 to 8:50, 15 minutes. Remarks. Now in this remark it should be, is it for SY or for the TY? If you write for both and then just press save, the moment you press save, that the data, that this is what data was made. So now this is what he would have, the clerk would have done over there, and subsequently he'll keep on adding. The moment he keeps on adding everything, all data, sorry, the training schedule pertaining to the ANO will be seen in the ANO's dashboard, and all training pertaining to the PI will be seen in the PI's dashboard. When I say PI and ANO, that means you have made user IDs for PI as well as for ANOs. They have to log in. Once they log in, they will be, the first thing they are supposed to again do is fill their form. Once they fill their form, that will be seen in the CO's dashboard. What, how they do that, I'll be showing you in a different session. So now that is seen over there, and thereafter they put the training conducted part. So now as per the training clerk goes, after putting this, he has to feed as early as possible. He does not touch this, does not touch this, does not touch this, does not touch this. He goes to firing, then he goes to SSCD activities only. Once he goes to the firing, he clicks firing. Once he clicks firing, he adds data. Please see, once he adds data, how many, before I show you, please see, I have fed in for this quarter, first quarter I fed in, I fed for the second quarter and the third quarter. Now I'm supposed to be feeding for the last quarter. It can be in the first quarter also, I have done multiple times. It can be. So now I'll go for the multiple times in the first quarter. Add data. I'm having a strength of, this is my strength. Now, in the first quarter, how many of them attended? So in that, I'll say 4 attended. In the second, I have to put 00 by default. Now the date over here was 22nd April. I place it as 08 May. Now out of these 4 person who attended, how many my marksmen? Say 0. Sorry, say 0. How many were first? 3. How many were passed? Again 3. Sorry, again 3, and 0 failed. The moment the clerk does this, he presses save. It will be again seen in that in one first quarter, twice the firing has been conducted. Similarly, he has to go for the cadets firing also in a similar manner. In a similar manner, it is to be done. Once done with that, go to the SSCD activities, click. Now, these are irrespective of any camps. Go for anything, add data. The color is supposed to be doing period covered. Suppose it is May 2023. Example, location area, it's my riverfront, Sabarmati riverfront. The duration, it was in the month of May, it was on 10th, which was conducted. From duration to May 10th, participation of SD oblique SW, they were 86. 0 JDJW, plastic waste collected 1 kg, handed over for recycling 1 kg, for an example, and then press a save. So these two have come over here. Similarly, he keeps on adding and he keeps on going. Now, rest are all interlinked. So nothing is to be done as of now in training. In my next session, I'll be telling about the A branch.